Now we will solve the problem number 15, chapter 27 survey. The question is current density, sorry, current density J is 6 10 raised to power minus 13 ampere per meter square. This at atmosphere at location where the electric field is 100 volt per meter. Calculate the electric conductivity. We have to calculate the electric conductivity of Earth atmosphere in this region. Okay, as we know that J is equal to sigma E. So this answer is straightforward. That is J divided by E. Okay. Uh, as we know that J is given 6 10 to power minus 13 and s- and E is 100. So you may say that 6 10 raised to power minus 13 or 10 power 2, that will be a 6 minus 13 minus 15. Okay, so that will be a ohm meter inverse. So this will be the unit. You may say that meter minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is a sigma. If you have any confusion or question, please put your don't hesitate to put your question in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you very much.